Hi, a client asked me these questions, and I found that so the person's want, my clients want is that is there a shorter way to do this to become this? So the current method is to do it here like this one by one because you want something like this, but the lists are very long. So how can you do it much faster? So I share if you are also facing these problems, and it is my mission to help you. So how do you let's do it, right? So if you have similar questions or something more complex, you can always email me, right? My email is this. Okay, so let's begin. Now, first step is that you take this value here, take all this, and then convert it into an Excel table. But let me just convert it. If you are using Excel table, you can click on this convert to range to remove that table. Now, this is just some data you collected from your database, from your Shopee database or Lazada database. And then next is that you highlight them. You highlight every from the top to the right. Okay, you highlight them, and then you press Control T to turn this into an Excel table. This is an essential step to use Power Query. And there is a header for this item, so I click OK. Next is that you select the item and then go to the data tab, and you choose from table range. Okay, now Excel has loaded this into a Power Query. Now there's an extra step. If it's changing type is not needed, you can cross it to undo that. Next is this is already done. I have just showed you earlier, but then this one not yet, right? So what you do again, you just right click here and go to fill down, and that's it. It's done. And this is brand X Y Y. Also, you want to fill up. If you want to fill up, right click, fill down. It's just that simple. If you have multiple column, you can select the first column until the end by holding the shift key and select this, and right click, choose fill down if you have the similar structures. And once you've done this, you click on home tab, choose close, close and load. And it will load it into a new sheet. And that is my short so video that hopes it can help those Lazada or Shopee seller. Thank you very much.